catch up all week, and I'm still not caught up. I have to go back on a lot of videos to catch up. It's unbelievable. And I don't know how you guys with 2,000 and 4,000 and 5,000 subscribers with all these comments keep up. Unbelievable. It's a lot of work. Jerry Ellen, Cooking with Neighbors, Jerry Ellen, I understand. I really do. I'm not going to give too many shout-outs today. As a matter of fact, I'm only going to give one. Well, I just gave Cooking with Neighbors, Jerry Ellen, one. And last week I gave Chappie's Tiki Bar one. I'm just going to give a big shout-out to the one and the only Maui Karen Ann.
Woo!
Whoa, baby, yeah, let's go. Maui Karen Ann. You guys got to watch her. If you hear anything pounding, it's the vent. We've been having such high winds that the vent is pounding up here in the wind. So if you hear noises in the background, it's not me cutting loose. It's the wind blowing, okay? Today I'm going to make a strawberry with, I infused the strawberries myself. Vodka infused strawberries and melon. Fresh squeezed lemon with simple syrup in it. And I'm going to make a strawberry melon martini. So please, please, please enjoy this cocktail because I know I certainly will. And here we go. I'm going to put in an ounce of lemon with what, Karen?
Simple
syrup. There you go. I have to have my script. Hold up the board. I can't see it. I can't see it. Half an ounce of Midori. Whoop.
That's not very much.
No, you don't want to overpower it. This melon stuff is mighty powerful.
Oh.
And 3 ounces of vodka. Strawberry infused. You put the strawberries in there and you infuse it yourself.
That's it?
That's it. Well, I put a little bit more for my buddy over there, Vino. My buddy Vino at 60 Second Cocktails. I put a little in there for him. Now I'm going to shake. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. You have to shake a long time.
Woo! Oh, it's a different color.
It's pretty.
Pretty.
As they would say, it's pretty. Karen decorated it with a pineapple, and she says, I don't know why I'm doing this. There's no pineapple in it. Well, that's okay. It's different. It's for me.
And you're different.
I'm definitely different. Oh, that is good. That is delicious. That is delicious.
Can you taste the Midori?
Yes, I can. Believe it or not.
All righty.
Well, don't forget, Cocktail Tony says, call your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.